that they had a speed of 0.625 meters per second. And then there was another time towards the end that they had a speed of 2.5 meters per second. Now, the thing is that we can continue to break this motion down into smaller distances. We can say, let's look at the 1 meter distance is covered, and let's see how much time. Do you know that this 1 meter, it could be that the first 1 meter that they covered, it could be that they covered that in 3 seconds. And the next 1 meter, they covered it in even less than 1 second, until they completed these 10 meters and everything was done in 10 seconds. Now, you begin to see where I'm going here. That 1 meter distance that we just chalked now, we could actually break it down into simpler distances. So the question is that, at what range of distance do we measure speed really? Because if you say speed is distance over time, now we've seen inconsistency in the way we are talking about the speed of this body now. Because if we consider it in the holistic sense of it, we're having 1 meter per second, 1 meter per second, and if we begin to break this thing down and look at the way they are moving, we're beginning to have different speed identity. And that is identity crisis already. So if you begin to break this thing down up to very small distances, which distance do we then use as the reference point for the calculation of speed? That is why in physics we don't really consider the concept of speed as a real thing,